Credit card delinquency rates are at their highest level since the 2008 financial crisis. Let's look at the data. Americans are increasingly falling behind on their credit card payments, a sign of growing financial strain across the country. The struggle to keep up with credit card payments is becoming a widespread issue, affecting many Americans. This concerning trend is primarily driven by relentless inflation and rising interest rates, putting pressure on household budgets. Let's examine the data from Q1 of 2026 to understand the full scope of the delinquency crisis. In the first quarter of 2026, the percentage of credit card accounts that were at least 90 days delinquent reached a staggering 13.12%. This high rate for credit cards surpasses all other consumer debt categories, including auto loans at 6%, student loans at 11%, and mortgages around 3%. Now let's look at the immense total credit card debt burden carried by Americans. The total credit card balance for Americans stood at $1.25 trillion in the first quarter of 2026. This represents a significant increase from the $1.18 trillion recorded during the same period in 2025. The struggles are not evenly distributed. Here is the 60-plus days delinquency data, broken down by income group. The lowest income earners are leading the way in delinquency rates at 8% for accounts 60 or more days past due. This compares to 5.9% for middle income earners and 3.75% for the highest income earners. The sheer amount of debt is a heavy burden for many households. On average, Americans carry $6,700 in credit card debt. Middle income earners are increasingly using credit cards as quote, survival debt to cover the gap between paychecks and monthly expenses. If you are struggling with debt, there are resources available to help you. The National Foundation for Credit Counseling reported a 24% increase in clients in January of this year compared to a year earlier, highlighting the growing need for assistance.
Organizations like the National Foundation for Credit Counseling, American Consumer Credit, and Consolidated Credit offer programs to help consumers develop debt repayment plans. Please like and subscribe if you found this video valuable. Thank you.